History repeating for Australia's first vaccine recipient, World War II survivor Jane Malysiak, first in line for her second dose.
Well, here you are leading the way again, Jane.
Yes, and here we are. Have another go.
Rolling up his sleeve for Team Australia, the Prime Minister also received his Pfizer booster. But on a day Scott Morrison planned to deliver a major confidence injection, his team of health experts was forced to downplay Australia's first case in a vaccinated frontline worker.
It is highly protective, that first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine.
But not protective enough to stop a Sydney hotel quarantine worker contracting COVID-19. As the state stares down a potential cluster, all jurisdictions are facing a longer than expected wait to scale up their own defences.
The overwhelming determining factor of the pace and scale of the rollout is vaccine supply.
The federal government had expected to receive nearly 4 million doses from Europe. The actual figure is closer to 1 million.
Now, I can tell you, with what's been going on in Europe in particular, that to have been successful in getting 700,000, that has been quite a herculean effort.
The only certainty is how many vaccines will be produced on home soil.
You can see that ramps up rapidly to right throughout the year.
We contracted for the best, but we planned for the worst.
It remains to be seen if that will be enough to have every Australian vaccinated by the end of October as promised.
If we keep on the more conservative production line, there'll be a small proportion of Australians that will be protected already by their first dose by the end of October, but will need to come back over coming weeks to get their second dose.
The Prime Minister still keeping his eye on the vaccine prize.
There we go. Very good. Thank you, Jane.
Roche Murdoch, Sky News.